to make this Chinese style eggplant and mince. So let's start by chopping up our eggplants. So once our eggplants are all chopped up, we're just going to soak them in some salted water. Just dunk them in and set them aside. And add some oil. Once the oil's heated up, I'm going to add my mince. Now I'm using pork mince. You can use any mince of your choice. And I'm just going to cook this mince till it turns white in color. I'm going to add my salt. You can see that the mince is starting to change color, so I am now going to add my fresh ginger, garlic, and I'm going to cook this through for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and as you can see, my mince has completely changed color now. So I'm going to start adding the sauces in. So I'm going to start with some dark soy sauce, some light soy sauce, oyster sauce, black bean paste. I'm going to give that a mix through. Okay, that's mixed through nicely. I'm going to add some vinegar and some sugar to balance that out. Mix that through. That's starting to smell delicious. Okay, that's looking good. It's time to add my eggplant. Give that a mix. This is so simple and tastes absolutely delicious. So that's mixed through nicely. I'm going to add the lid on and cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So see you back in a few minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Let's have a look. Oh, that smells good. Just going to check my eggplant. Yep, that looks good. Okay, that's looking good. So all that's left is for some cornstarch. Now this is optional. And there you have it, a delicious Chinese style eggplant and mince curry. I do have an Indian style eggplant and mince curry, which I will link in the description below. So let's plate this up.